Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1970 Dodge Challenger convertible. 440 6-pack, power steering, power brakes, discs up front, brand new Cragars. Just beautiful. Finished in the original color, red. I believe it's rally red. White interior. The spoilers up front. Really set it off nicely. Four-speed. Cragars and tires are brand new, as it was back in the day. It's got the shaker, rear spoiler, dual exhaust with quad tips, gorgeous straight body. Man, you just don't see it like this. Best in Show award. Really nice fitment of the body panels. 440 screams with the 6-pack on it. It's all tuned up. Highly detailed. There she is. Shaker sitting on the top. It's like an original Delco. It's a cover. Power steering, power brakes. Again, highly detailed. New. I'm gonna start it up for you. All the right hoses, all the right clamps. It's got Flowmaster mufflers on it. Really gives it a nice sound. Brand new steering wheel is over $1,000. Pistol grip shifter. Red on the white pillar. Absolutely beautiful. Seatbelts all the way around. You name it, it's new. Nice clear lenses. classic Sun Pro Tack. Seat belts in the back as well. And this color combo is striking. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Check out our website. I probably took about 250 photos today. As far as new, give me a call, 631-339-0399. You also check out our website, weebyautos.com, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thanks a lot.